In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances in Google Sheets. Keeping an eye on your finances doesn't have to be daunting or require expensive software. By simply using Google Sheets, you can create a straightforward and efficient way to monitor all your income and expenses. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open a new Google Sheet. If you're not sure how to do that, simply go to your Google Drive, click on New at the top left-hand side, and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will open a blank spreadsheet that you can start working with right away. Having your finances organized in a spreadsheet will allow you to visualize your financial status clearly and help avoid any unnecessary stress down the line. Once your Google Sheet is open, we'll begin by using some basic formulas to sum up your data. In cell H4, you'll need to enter a formula to calculate the total of a specific range. Click into cell H4 and type in this formula, equals sign, SUM, and then within parentheses, type B5 colon B29. So it should look like this, XSUM, B5, B29. What this does is add up all the numbers in column B from row 5 to row 29. This is useful for calculating total income, for instance. Press Enter, and you'll see that the sum automatically appears in cell H4. Next, we'll calculate another total, perhaps your total expenses. Move down to cell H5, and this time input the formula, SUM E5 E29. Again, this will sum up all the numbers from column E, row 5 to row 29, which could represent your expenses. Press Enter, and that total will appear in cell H5. It's important to ensure your data is consistently entered so your sums are accurate. Finally, let's calculate the difference between your totals, effectively showing your net income or balance. This can be a critical figure to showcase your financial health on a single glance. Click on cell H6 and type in the formula, ASL H4 H5. This formula will subtract your total expenses from your total income, giving you either your net saving or spending for the period. Once you press Enter, you'll see your balance reflected immediately in cell H6. Using these simple formulas, you can effortlessly track your finances and gain a better understanding of your income versus spending. This template can be expanded and personalized to fit your individual financial needs, giving you complete control over your budgeting process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for managing your finances with Google Sheets. See you next time.